Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we have a new item to show you, and I'm going to go into detail about it because you probably haven't seen it unless you're on Etsy. So this is the Inferno wax wool Firestarter. Okay, I'll show you close up in a minute. This is from Ray North Outdoors. I bought this with my own money off Etsy. It just kept popping up and it looked interesting, and I'm always trying to support the independent people. So I like fire starters, so picked one up, $8.99, good price for that. Wasn't too expensive. I try to keep my items here on a budget if you haven't already known that. If you're new to the channel, if it's your first time, we basically do budget bushcraft and survival items, skills and stuff like that, but at the moment we're doing a lot of gear reviews because it's summer. So like I said, I paid $8.99 for this, plus shipping I think was free on Etsy. I'll put links to the description box below. I did contact him. Anytime I have a new item, I usually do my homework, and he did say that he entirely made this on his own with his own blend of wax and other non-toxic flammables. So, but enough chatting, let's get to it. Right, so you can see here it's very fluffy. It says wax wool, looks like cotton. If he did make this himself, which he said he did an amazing job, because I wouldn't be able to do anything this neat. I mean, I don't know how he did it on the card. That must be a sticky label, but it just looks like mass assembly kind of thing. But yeah, so we'll start cutting this up now. Alright, so just got a little board to cut on to make everything a bit more easier. We're gonna cut this end because it has a bit more stuff on it. So I'm just gonna use my tops knife. Alright, so again, just cutting it. Looks very fluffy, as you can see there. He said that you can burn the card as well. I'm not too fussed with that, but yeah, this is very fluffy stuff. I mean, I'm hardly touching it, and it's just falling apart fluffy. So I have high confidence in this. I'm trying not to get my hands in the way, but you see. So looks all right. So I'm gonna do a little bit first. We'll see how we get on. Right, just going to use my ferro rod, and I'm going to try to use just the tip of this. My rod looks worse to wear with all the reviews I've been doing lately. So that was like half a strike. So that was good. Right, let's give it a proper strike. Okay, 2 strikes. So far, it's lighting up really well. Right, so here another bit. We'll throw the cardboard in there as well. Give it a nice stroke. This stuff's lighting really well. I'm going to throw it in there so we can see how long it lights, stays lit for. Right, so that's in the background, still light. Let's see if that cardboard burns. So I know what you guys are saying, this is going to remind you of another product, and it does. I don't know how he did it, but this is cute. It just really looks waxed all the way through. Alright, so let's see how far we can light this now. Alright, so again, just unfluffing it. I'll do it for you. Wow, looks really good. Alright, so So the item's there. I'm not sure if you can see it in the sun. So measure it by my knife. That's Top's, like again, Top's Bushcraft knife. There we go. So that works. So yeah, I'm not going to do all of this because just wasting it, but I'll give you a close-up of this material. Just want to give you a close-up of the material here. It is very fluffy. I think it's even more fluffy than some other companies. Trying to do it not in the light, but there. Yeah, very, very good. I mean, if this is homemade, like he said he did a great job on it. And just unrolls, look, see? It's just falls apart in your hands. Look. Crazy. I'd like to know his secret, but it's hardly any effort. You could, if your hands were cold, if it was all the rest of it, this would be really easy to do. But let's just yeah, fucking dogs. Right, let me just get this get some water. I'm gonna get this wet a little bit. Alright, so I got a little bit of water here. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave it all in one edit so you can't say I messed with it. So dip that in water, pop it down, and we'll fluff it again. And we'll see kind of materials he's using chemical wise. Oh, so I didn't even get a proper strike out of it and it already went up. So that's a bit, I was going to struggle more than that. Right, let's try that again, because that was a bit. Right, so again, got a piece here. Just going to dip it in the water properly. You can see it's wet. Just going to unfluff it. Okay, so yeah, he's using something really good here. I mean, I've had dried materials harder to light than that. So I'm going to save the rest of this because this stuff's just going to work anyway. I don't want to be too boring. So guys, that was Ray North Outdoors with his Inferno Wax Will Firestarter. Again, works ridiculously well. You saw me wet it and light it, and it took half a strike of a ferro rod to light it, and I did that about twice. So good job. Fluffs up really, really well. Price wise, I think the price is fair, £9, and you get how many fires out of this? You know, it'll be a ridiculous amount. On the back of it, I was reading this, and it says designed, produced in UK, unlimited warranty, approximate net weight is 70 grams. For more information, visit www.raynorth.com, and that's it. So, that's it. Just new item. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what you think of my little setup here. Again, I have to do what I have to do for my back and my hip and stuff and everything else. So I got to just change things around a little bit. But let me know what you think of the setup. Is it cool or not? Like I said, I think this nice little cooking section just works well. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.